All right, welcome back to Mrs. Tips, and my tip for you today is getting permanent marker off of two different surfaces in a couple different ways, and I'm going to show you which one's the most effective and which one is not. So here's my whiteboard, and one of my girls took a purple permanent marker and drew a sun on it. As you can see, it doesn't come off, it's a dry erase marker. But if you didn't already know this tip, I'm going to show you. This is just a regular dry erase marker, and you color it. It's like magic. I honestly sometimes feel like a magician or whatever if this works. And maybe the same daughter drew on my other white dry erase board with a permanent marker. So I made her take this exact same marker and cover over everything she had drawn with the permanent marker. And get it all drawn over. And it's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I can see the permanent marker dissolving away with the dry erase marker. So you get it all covered with the dry erase marker, and then you can just erase that off. It's still better than having that flower on there. So let me see. We'll come back to this. I'm going to show you some other things. So we installed surfacing in our house for our countertops. This is a little sample from our other kitchen because it's lighter and white, not like this taupe stuff. And this is just a regular permanent marker. So I'm going to show you how effective these different methods are on this little sample one. So I'm just going to draw some marks. All right, so what do I have to deal with here? So we're going to try the dry erase over the Sharpie. And we're going to try just regular rubbing alcohol. Look, you can still see that mark. I guess I should turn this off. Oh no, look at that. Got this one. It's just aerosol hairspray. Just look at anyone. See, we can still see it. Now here's the real magic when you're working with a surface like this. Hand sanitizer. Normally isopropyl alcohol is about 50%. Sometimes you can find 60 or 70% isopropyl alcohol. This is hand sanitizer. And it has 70% ethyl alcohol. So Mark actually is the one who figured this out. It's so appropriate that his nickname in college was Tips. So we just put some on here. And I know hand sanitizer isn't like the most crunchy thing to have in your house for hand sanitizer because it dries out your hands and dries my hands out at least. But it is awesome for getting stains off. So there you can see those 4 different ways to get permanent marker off of solid surfacing. So here was trying the dry erase. This was isopropyl alcohol, the liquid stuff. This is hairspray, and this is rubbing alcohol. You can see which one did the best. The cool thing is I can still clean the stuff off with the rubbing alcohol. So the hand sanitizer that has 70% ethyl alcohol in it. And obviously, if you can put it on your hands, it's safe enough to use your finger. I don't know how good this works on older stains. I normally catch my kids' artwork pretty early on. So I don't know how effective anything is if it's been sitting on there for like months or something. But, oh look, even that works. Woo! I had not tested out this this method could. So I'm glad that still came off with the rubbing alcohol. We don't use this that often. It's all in the name of consumer education, tips that actually work to get stains off. So obviously the one I'm going to use on here is some more rubbing alcohol. Oh my gosh, sorry. Not rubbing alcohol. That left a mark. Hand sanitizer. It's got so much alcohol in it. I like how it turns all purple. We actually got a big one of these at one of our club stores last year. Big, huge, like, liter of hand sanitizer. That one left on. Maybe it only works really fresh stains. But it obviously does a better job than just rubbing alcohol or hairspray does. So, anyway, I'm so glad Mark figured this out because we had a child draw on our leather sectional with a pen, and I was freaking out. I mean, it was dark. It's dark sofa, the dark pen, but still, I was not happy about it. All right, let me see how this works. The hand sanitizer just does a beautiful job. Make it over. Anything left over on there, I probably could have just done that. There you go. Those are a couple different ways to get permanent marker off of some surfaces. And who knew that dry erase marker could do so much, or hand sanitizer. But that's our tip for today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you have any other uses for hand sanitizer or any other methods you've had success with on getting permanent marker out of something, leave a comment below and we could try out some of them too if they're ones I haven't heard of before.